So here's another great classic, BWB Volcano. It was a full release, so it was BWB going into the pub market with Volcano. It wasn't a rebuild machine. Okay, so I'm just gonna literally, because it's still closed in lockdown and this one's a new one to this arcade, it gives me the opportunity to be able to play it before I put a new battery on it to RAM clear it. So I'm gonna just load it up with those games. Ready? So with this game you get various little bonuses along the way over there, like pop boost. If I was going to go in on the feature now, I'd get a pop boost on the game. There is a no lose volcano as well. Nudges add to the climber, so if you get nudges you can cancel them to give you a step up on the trail. So loads of different little things on this game. I don't know what these are like off a RAM clear. To be honest, I've never really played one on a RAM clear, so I can't tell you. It's got a little bit of a pause there, so I think it's thinking of something. This machine is notorious for the feature. When you get the feature, it's basically giving you a normal board, and at any time it can turn red to give you red sky at night, players delight, which of course is invincible. Typical BWB, you've got the mixed bars, the ward and new nudges as well, so they're quite handy. So now I'll just add that to the climber, so I'll just literally, I can bring down the thing, or I can cancel nudges. So it's a nice little wraparound trail, gorgeous because of the volcano that goes 3D. Why they stopped making machines like this, I'll never know. If you get a 2, first move for eruption, it's a fantastic sign on this machine. So many people go, oh what, killed me straight away. It's actually a really good sign on this machine. Now any time that BWB button there can light up, and if it does, you've got red sky at night.
Mystery. Extra life.
Now I've lost the extra life, it could lie. You're not expecting to.
Mystery.
So this is a no-lose gamble. Obviously I could lose that, but this is to light the letters up there. I haven't really looked at bulb in this yet, so it probably needs a few bulbs gone. I can see a few reserves that have gone on it. So this is an important part of the game. So I can go into the feature because 3 in a row give me the board, or I can mess around with it, but just because my battery is low and I want to give you a video, I'll just play it normal. Loads of moves you can do on this game. Some old school players might remember Abracadabra. Abracadabra I can empty, Volcano I can't. Abracadabra had a slightly different code on it.
Mystery.
As you can see, it is happy. That's to be expected on MPU4 RAM clear. So if I was to take any of those wins, I can take them and gamble. It does gamble up for the jackpot. Gives slow down repeats as well. So to be honest, everything you want in a game is in this. No one likes to lose square. this red for you guys. I think we got 2 of these in our fleet. It's a game close to me, this. But then any of you know me that I like them all, don't I?
Mystery.
Can slow down sometimes, that. This, by the way, is a board I've just repaired. I've only just literally put in. So, cancel nudges. Cancel climb. It's good to put the board for its bases, make sure it's okay. So juiced. There are a couple of volcano hidden features which are okay. I'll let you find those.
Mystery. Extra life.
Okay, so now the extra life's gone, you could light.
Mystery.
Oh, what a shame. And you don't really know when it's going to do it either. So there's no advantage to be cancelling that. Two nudges would be nice. It's a bit of a... Well, it's alright actually. Because... might as well cancel it for the bonus again. Hot shot bonus. It took us 3 or 4 goes to get a decent one of these artwork, because in every supermarket you can buy fruit peelers. We don't do fruit peelers, so if we got artwork damage on machines, we don't operate them. Simple. We'd rather spend the time, money to try and get them repaired, restored for the working museum that we are.
Mystery.
So it was a painstaking task to get a couple of these in good nick. The authority of the jackpots. Look at that bad boy. So if I was to get entry with that, it's red sky night. Some of you might wonder why I'm holding for that bonus, because that bonus and then that bonus gives you extra reward. So I won't hold them all to get the guaranteed. I'll go for the first one to try and obviously step it up. Running out of coins. Got any more? The place is an absolute bomb stuff at the moment. So here we go. Battery's gonna go. Andy. That'll do. I don't think I can get a 1 first. Yes. So I'm a big kid with this machine. So no loose volcano. So just enjoy it. I better be quick because my battery, and it'll ruin the vid if I can't get it all in. Very, very, very hard to get that middle jump. So it's not going to go that way, guys. Into the cold. No thanks. That's what it is then.
Mystery.
MP4 at its best, I find. So much coding into that. Put it through its paces. Will it or won't it? Because that can light for slow repeat. Oh my god, natural. What a machine. I really want to get another board, but I don't want to spoil the vid. So just to show you that it is in real play. Like I say, be RAM cleared when finished with it. Thank God for that, the hopper works. So obviously I've just repaired the board, so let's just try and get another my battery hold out. It was at 6% and I took a call before this, so come on. Such a tease. Okay, so it's not red yet. The machine's always got juice in it, so. £4 nearest. Right, let's get this video uploaded. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Sorry if I went on a little bit, but this machine, amazing.